Welcome to another training session of PLC programming. This is the lesson number 3 of the Mitsubishi PLC programming using DX Developer. In today's session, we will discuss how to turn on and off or toggle a bit using one single push button. Before starting today's session, please subscribe and share this channel and do comment in the comment section suggesting topics for the upcoming videos. Let's start with the ladder logic. Now load this logic into the PLC. As you can see that we can now switch on and off output Y0 using a single push button. Let's discuss how this ladder logic works. One thing I want you guys to understand is that the PLC scan cycle first scans the status of the all inputs and then update the status of the outputs. Please always keep this thing in the mind. This will help you guys to troubleshoot the logical errors in the programming. Let's understand together how does one input can turn on and off a single output bit. When we press the X0 push button, it will be scanned only for the one PLC scan cycle. This means that M0 memory bit will also be turned on for only one scan cycle. In the next scan cycle, it will be turned off. When the M0 bit was on in the first cycle, the normal close bit Y0 was closed and this will turn on the output Y0 bit. This all happens in the first scan cycle. In the next scan cycle, the memory bit M0 was off and the normal open bit Y0 is also off. This causes to hold on or latch on the output Y0. This turns on the output Y0 permanent. Now, if we press the push button once again, this will now opens the normally closed contact M0, thus unlatching the hold on for the Y0 output. So this is how we can use one PLC input to turn on and off the outputs. I hope you liked today's video tutorial. Please subscribe and do check out my videos on my channel, and till next video, take care and goodbye.